Good afternoon. It is the 27th of October. It's our afternoon update looking at the markets and what we saw happen today. We have most interesting cotton. Cotton looked really strong through part of the day today, and at one point it was up It was up 105 points. Just before 1 o'clock, maybe 20, 25 minutes ago, this market started to sell off, could not sustain itself at those higher levels. And it's going to close up, but up 23 on the day at 62.36. We're really seeing low volume, and that makes it hard for a market to sustain itself any direction. And so I really think that's what we're seeing, just not enough volume to sustain any move. Looking at other things, we had well, let's just go back to cotton. Cotton was up 23 at 62.36. The high was 63.18. The low was 62.18. We have January soybeans up 6.5 at 8.91 with a high of 8.94.5 and a low of 8.80 1/4. Corn was down 5. A strong day yesterday, up. Today it's back down 5 at 379.5. High is 387.5. Low is 379 1/4. Wheat market was very strong yesterday. Today it was down a penny at 508, a high of 518 and a low of 506.5. I think it was up most of the day until the very end of the day. Looking at the dollar right now is up about 20 on the day. Crude oil is another market that stands out as having a big day, down $1.07 on the day, $1.07 a barrel at 42.94 in the December crude oil. Looking over at gold and silver, both down. Gold down 10 cents an ounce. Silver down about 4 cents an ounce. Dow Jones is down 62 at the moment. S&P is down 7.6. And want to remind people we've got the FOMC meetings today and tomorrow. Don't expect anything to come from that. They're pushing back further and further any possibility of a rate hike because of slow economic numbers that have been coming out in recent weeks. That's really it. We'll see you tomorrow. Have a good evening.